Hello, second graders. I hope you're having a great day. Let's get ready to do our Sonday lesson. Today's lesson is number 107. Make sure you have your purple packet and pencil ready to go. Let's start with sounds like we always do. When I show the sound, say it right away and then listen for me to repeat the sound. Make sure our sounds match. Let's begin. E, oo, or or, all, A, E, I, O, U, I, oi, a or a, oi, r, w, ow or o, ah, a, ch, qu, o, I or I, a, sh, or u, ch, e or e, th or th, ah or o, j, ear, ing, s, as. Get ready to spell sounds. Today we only have one sound that we will work to write. We'll write our sound on our notebook paper. Before we do, let's make sure that we have the correct lesson number written in the top. So instead of 106, I need to change this to say 107. That matches today's lesson. Our sound today is as. Say as. Now write as. As is a sound found at the end of words. So I'm going to put a dash right here. And now I am going to write E-S. S, as I said, is found at the end of the words. Words like bushes, benches, and it's spelled with E-S. Get ready for the next part of our lesson. The next part of our lesson is reading words. We're going to start with some contractions. I'm going to show you a contraction, and I want you to read it and then say the two words that make up that contraction. Watch as I do the first one. Hasn't, has not. Now you do the next one. My turn. Don't, do not. Next one. What's, what is. Whose, who is. Theirs, there is. Wasn't, was not. It's, it is. Didn't, did not. I'm, I am. Can't, cannot. Aren't, are not. You're, you are. Weren't, were not. Where's, where is. Doesn't, does not. I'll, I will. Let's, let us. That's, that is. Hadn't, had not. Isn't, is not. All right, I'm going to set my timer. You practice reading these words. Today's words have the A sound in the middle, and you'll notice this particular list ends with L. So you're going to hear ale. Practice. Let's read together. Sail, trail, ale, frail, bail, fail. Next list. Practice. Rail, quail, whale, hail, snail, jail. Next list. Practice. Together. Gain, faint, grain, brain, taint, drain. Practice. Stain, rain, chain, vein, train, saint. Now we have mixed words. I'm going to give you just a little bit extra time for this list. Go ahead. Let's read. Notches, comes, whiz, booking, year, jazzes, plants, why. Practice. Hoodwink, clearing, taxes, plays, good, fear, trucks, flashes. Practice. Nearby, helps, messes, which, parks, matches, whack, football. We'll read it one time slow and one time like we talk. Notice the question mark. Get ready. Were you on time to catch the train? Like we talk. Were you on time to catch the train? Next one. Where were you when the rain came? Like we talk. Where were you when the rain came? Now your turn. Practice reading this sentence once slow. If you need a second time, middle speed, and then like you talk. Do the same with this one. All right. The first one should say, try to match the paint for that patch. The second one should say, the train got its power from coal. Get ready to spell words. Today we will spell 12 words on our notebook. I will say each word. We'll work to touch spell the word, and then we'll write the word. Check your work as we go. If you make mistakes, erase and fix. Let's begin. First word, train. Right, train. T, R. For the A sound, we have A, I. And the N sound, we have N. Remember, when that long A sound is in the middle of a word, it's spelled with A-I, or it's going to end with a magic E. It's going to have an A with a magic E. Today's word, train, has that A-I pattern in it. Next word, chips, like what you eat. Chips. Touch spell. Ch, it, s. Write it. Ch. Let's check it. C, H, I, I, P. Now the ending. S, S. Next word, fail. F-A-L. Fail, right? Fail. Notice the A sound in the middle of the word. A, A-I, L, L. Next word, matches. M-A-Ch, as. Let's spell matches. Write it. Check it. M, A, A, Ch. Just a moment. I learned if we have a one-syllable word like match that has a short vowel sound and it ends with a ch, then it's going to have T before the CH. If you forgot that T before the CH, erase and fix. So that's our base word, match. And now for the ending, as. Since match ends with that ch sound, we need to add E before our S. ES says as, matches. The next word is a sight word, so we will not touch spell it. Picture it in your brain. The word is floor. Floor, right? Floor. Remember, floor rhymes with door. That might help you. All right, let's check it. F, L, O, O, R. Next word, chain. Chain, like a chain link fence. Chain. Ch, A, N, ch. Same starting as chips. Ch, C, H. A, two letters. A, I, N. Next word, boys. B, oy, s. B, oy, s. B, B, oy. Since boy is the base word, you hear oy at the end of that word, and we know it's spelled then with O-Y. Okay, we'll look at that base word and now add the ending s, which makes boy mean more than one. So even though the oy is technically in the middle of this word, we could look at the base word boy and we could see oy is still at the end, which gives it that OY pattern. Next word, jail. J-A-L. Jail. J. J. A. A. I. L. L. Next word, mixes. Mixes. Touch spell. X. As. First, let's spell mix. That's our base word. M. I. X. 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 Ends with X. And I hear the S sound at the end, which is going to be spelled E-S. Check your work. Next word. Sight word. No touch spell. Where. Where. Like, where are you going? Right. Where. Let's check our spelling. W. H. E. R. E. Next word. Faint. A. Nt. Go ahead and write it. Let's check it. F. A. A-I. Nt. Nt is spelled N-T. Last word. Winks. Touch spell. W. Ink. S. Go ahead and spell winks. W. W. Ink is spelled I-N-K. Now add the ending S. S. A lot of times I take the ending off, spell the base word, then put the ending back on. That helps me to get correct spelling. All right, let's get ready to spell our first sentence. Our first sentence has 5 words. It says, we had a smooth ride. We had a smooth ride. Go ahead and write that. Pause the video if you didn't quite finish. I'm going to add it on. Okay, here it is. We, capital W-E, had, add, H-A-D, spelled with an A, smooth, S-M-O-O-T-H, ride, R-I-D-E, period. Next sentence. The airplane will land on time. Go ahead and pause the video and write it, and then push play to check it. All right, take a look. The airplane will land on time. The, capital T-H-E. Airplane, first spell air, A-I-R, then plane. Pull, P-L-A-N-E. Will, W-I-L-L. Land, L-A-N-D. On, O-N. Time, T-I-M-E, period. We do not have a new skill today, so we're going to move right to our independent practice. Turn to your independent practice page in your Sunday packet. It should look like this. It should have a 107 at the top. Today, what you're going to do is separate the words to make sentences, and then you will write the sentences. So the first tool that you'll need is your pencil, and you're going to just make lines in between the words to help you know where one word ends and the next word begins. So I can see a familiar word right here, you. And I look behind it and can see there's another word that I recognize, can. So what I'm going to do is take my pencil and draw a line between you and can. After can, I can see another word that I know, join, join. So I'm going to separate can and join. Then I see the word the. So I'm going to separate join and the. And the last word is club. Separate the and club. Now, when I go to rewrite the sentence, I'm going to be sure to put a capital at the beginning of my sentence and a period at the end, as well as a space between each of the words. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the sentence below. So I'm going to start with my capital Y, O-U, space, can, C-A-N, space, join, J-O-I-N, space, the, space, that's T-H-E, club, C-L-U-B, and end with a period. I'm going to make sure that my writing is neat. I can see that capital at the beginning, see the period at the end, and see each of the spaces between the words. Also, after writing it, read it one more time to make sure that it makes sense. You can join the club. My sentence makes sense. I do believe it's correct. So now I can go on to the next sentence. I'll separate the words and then rewrite the sentence below. That's what you're going to do throughout the entire page. Do your best to figure out what each word is and to rewrite each sentence. Work hard and show your teacher what a great job you can do. I hope you have a great rest of your day and see you next time. Bye-bye.